another video. How are you all doing today? Hope you're doing well. In this video you can see I'm currently eyeing up this setup. We have SFP high, these highs, all of these highs, where the golden pocket is, you can see the 618, and these highs, little consolidation going on here. So I expect a liquidity sweep there. Basically same thing, price comes up, pumps, gets above, if we start trading below, you enter short, stop loss at the high, target in 1 to 3, maybe the next fib level. So yeah, that's about it for now, guys. And as you can see, what I said would happen, I said I was expecting a liquidity sweep on this level here, where we had the consolidation and the highs and the golden pocket. And as you can see, that exactly happened. We have SFP high, these highs, all of these highs, where the golden pocket is, you can see 618, and these highs, little consolidation going on here. So I expect a liquidity sweep there. Liquidity sweep there, and guys, look what happened. Golden pocket, 618, the highs, consolidation, liquidity sweep. Unfortunately, I didn't even catch this trade. But guys, if you snipe this trade, man, stop loss at the high, entrance below the SFP line, guys. As soon as you start trading below the SFP line, bang, stop loss could even be tighter, even at the fucking highs, guys. Yeah, because why wouldn't you? Guys, that's already a 1 to 4 in a matter of a bit of a day trade, but you know, 1 to 4 nonetheless, man. Risking 1% of a 100k account, it's 4k just for sniping this trade. Just to show you what's possible, you know, guys. But all in all, nice little A+ setup going on from the whole move. Got the golden pocket, SFP. We just look at that SFP, man. As soon as we leave that wick behind, look at that wick. That is an entry signal and a half. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something. I tried to make it as simple as possible. Literally Fibonacci from the high to the low, golden pocket, SFP highs from the consolidation. You're gonna get that wick, SFP, guys. So that's what we call a swing failure pattern. Simple as. This is what day trading is all about, you know, just literally getting in, getting out, level to level, you know. But yeah, one more thing is that from the high to the low, this move is where you can start taking profits. Golden pocket just takes, obviously start taking profits there, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next ones.